Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Motion with Next.js. First, let's get started with the basic setup. Framer Motion is a fantastic animation library for React and Next.js is a powerful framework for building web applications. Together, they allow you to create incredibly smooth and interactive user experiences. To begin, simply install Framer Motion into your Next.js project using your preferred package manager, like npm or yarn. Now, let's dive into crafting some basic animations. Framer Motion provides a special motion component that wraps standard HTML or SVG elements, enabling animation capabilities. You can define the starting and ending states of your animation using the initial and animate props. For example, set opacity to 0 initially and then to 1 to create a fade-in effect. The transition prop allows you to customize duration, easing, and other animation properties. Remember to use the useClient directive for components utilizing Framer Motion. Moving on to more advanced techniques, animate presence is crucial for handling exit animations when components are removed from the React tree. By wrapping your motion components with animate presence, you can define how elements animate out, creating seamless page transitions. It's essential to provide a unique key prop to the motion component inside animate presence so Framer Motion can track changes. The mode prop, such as wait or pop layout, helps orchestrate the timing of entering and exiting animations. Finally, let's discuss performance and best practices. For shared element transitions, always use the layout ID prop for optimal smoothness and efficiency. When dealing with complex animations, prioritize animating transform properties like scale or translate over properties like width or height for better performance. Consider implementing use reduced motion to respect user preferences for less animation. Always ensure your Framer Motion components are rendered on the client side by using the useClient directive to avoid server-side rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.